Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to use Microsoft Word. If we click down at the very bottom, we can click on All Programs and scroll down to Microsoft Office 2013 and Word 2013. Now today we're just going to go through the very basics. We just want to start with a blank document that comes up, and we can type in here, and we'll say, we'll give our paper a title. Like you'll notice it underlined in red, that means I spelled it wrong. So I can click sample paper and we'll start typing about it. Now we can say this is a sample paper. It will help us learn how to use Microsoft. Now you'll notice it capitalized Microsoft on its own, and if you're paying attention, it fixed Microsoft, or it fixed Word on its own. Now since we're talking about a proper noun, we will capitalize that. Now I'm going to keep typing and hopefully it doesn't fix my mistake. I do not want, it fixed it right there, this paper to get fixed. Now, when we get those underlined red words, we can use our right mouse button. We can click on it, and it will give us some suggestions. I'm saying paper, pepper, popper, piper. We want paper. And it fixes it on its own. Now, let's say I make another mistake. And I was hoping it would come up with green there. Sometimes you'll get green, and basically it's just saying, hey, you put too many spaces in here. Now, a couple other things that we do when we start a paragraph, we always indent. So we press the tab, the T-A-B button, and it sends it in. Since this is our title, we can put it in the middle. Up here it tells us left, middle, right, or justify. We just want middle. And since it's our title also, we can underline it. So this U button up here, and we can bold it, make it kind of thicker. We can also change the size that we have it. So we go to this number here. We can type in our own number, but we'll say, hey, we'll make this 48, which is obviously way too big. But we can change it that way as well. Now to save, we go to the very top, and looking at my screen, I don't know if it's showing it here, but there is a button that looks like a disk. You can click on that, or you can just hold down the Control and S button at the same time, and it goes to save. So we're going to say save as, and then we're going to click where we want it. I'm going to say on computer, and then I want it on my desktop. Oop, I want it on my desktop, so we click there, and we click save. So now I can exit out of this, and it saves, and then I go and I find it on my desktop, and I have way too many things here, but we click sample paper again, and it comes up right where I left it. Thank you, and I hope that you have a great day.